Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a functioning Apple ID and an internet connection. Once done, make sure contact syncing is enabled. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud, and toggle Contacts on. This tells Apple to store and sync entries in the cloud. Alternatively, go to iCloud.com and sign in with the same Apple ID to reach contacts in your browser. These steps start the sync process so your device and iCloud share the same address book. Next, open Contacts either in the Contacts app on your device or on iCloud.com. This is where you interact with entries. On a Mac, open System Settings, click Apple ID, then iCloud and ensure Contacts is checked so the list appears in the Contacts app. Once there, use the search box to find names, view groups to filter accounts, and edit entries. Edits automatically sync to iCloud. If you need to merge duplicates, do that here so the consolidated record propagates to all devices. To complete the process, refresh your Contacts view and verify new or edited entries appear on all devices. Once done, you can export or share contacts as needed. If something seems missing, make sure every device uses the same Apple ID and that Contacts is enabled. As a practical troubleshooting tip, turn Contacts off in iCloud settings and choose Merge when turning it back on. This forces a re-upload and often restores missing entries. If problems persist, sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.